Ministry of Women and Child Development. In that, the third day of special outreach program begins in the Jammu and Kashmir. Opportunity to meet the people and understand their needs. Debashree Chaudhary, the Minister of State for Women and Child Development, Debashree Chaudhary today said that the central government aims to improve good governance, generate employment, and ensure all the beneficiary-oriented schemes reach the citizens in the Jammu and Kashmir. Addressing the public meeting during the third day of the central government's special public outreach programs to disseminate the information about the implementation of its policies and programs for the overall development of Jammu and Kashmir and its people at Mar Jammu. Debashree Chaudhary said that it is a great opportunity given by the Prime Minister to elect representatives to meet the people and understand their needs. The minister further stated that all the pending approvals for the development work in the Jammu and Kashmir have been cleared. Farmers have been compensated for their crop losses and many thousand kilometers of roads have been constructed under the PMGSY. She further said that all the centrally sponsored schemes and programs will be given a top priority in the Jammu and Kashmir. Debashree Chaudhary said that an integrated child development service is an ambitious initiative of central government which provides food, preschool education, primary health care, immunization, health checkup and referral services to the children and their mothers. She also said that other centrally sponsored schemes including the midday meals, pulse polio, child protection and development, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao can be the game changers for the people of Jammu and Kashmir if implemented properly in the Union Territory. Giving details of some centrally sponsored schemes, the minister said 2.5 lakh toilets have been constructed under the Swachh Bharat Ujjwala scheme has reached 100% targets of 3.5 lakh golden cards have been distributed under Ayushman Bharat scheme in less than 6 months, and the rate of disbursal of the pension for Divyanjan and the window has increased from 62% in 2018 to 80% till date, stating that the democracy at grassroots level is the need of the hour for the development of the Jammu and Kashmir. The minister reiterated that the conduct of Block Development Council elections in the Jammu and Kashmir was a historical step which was empowered people and given them a say in the decision making in the local government. She further said that the Panchayat elections that were held in 2018, despite the various challenges, proved that Jammu and Kashmir desires development in every sphere and believes in the policies and programs of the government. During her visit, the minister also laid the foundation stone on 2 road projects from Machaini to Dhomana to Chibba Chowk and from Gajansova to Luhri Chak Rathana. Various delegations called on the Minister of State for Women and Child Development and submitted memorandum of their demands and problems, which include issues like 4% reservation quota and separate schools for physically challenged community and all other facilities which are applicable in different states and union territories for the welfare of Divyanjan persons.